This year, over 250 corporate counsel participated in our 17th annual Litigation Trends Survey to share what they see happening in 2022. The findings tell us that the volume of disputes is on the rise. Class action and product liability matters are also increasing. We are seeing heightened concern with cybersecurity, privacy, and ESG regulations and investigations. In addition, diversity, equity, and inclusion is on the radar for many legal departments, with discrimination being the largest non-legal factor influencing new disputes trends. So what does this mean for your organization?
With respect to cybersecurity and data protection, our survey shows that across all industries, there's a growing concern about these issues. The number of respondents that listed cybersecurity and data protection as legal disputes of most concern has tripled since 2019. In addition, the growing number of US states and international jurisdictions passing new cybersecurity and data protection laws resulted in many respondents listing these issues as very high on their organization's risk register. Concerns relating to remote workers and third-party service providers also contributed to this very high risk rating. On the class action side, concern about class actions is on the rise, especially in the consumer and retail sectors. Beyond traditional product liability cases, cases relating to data breaches and climate change are more frequent and impactful.
Most legal departments are highly involved in the development of strategy related to environmental, social, and governance issues, which are usually referred to as ESG. While the energy and finance sectors have been aware of ESG considerations, many other sectors are beginning to pay attention now too. We found that employment and labor disputes are the most common type of disputes. Many respondents expressed concern about becoming litigation targets for social justice activists or their own employees. Many organizations have increased their efforts related to diversity, equity, and inclusion in recent years, including by addressing their culture and balancing the needs of various stakeholders.
Over the past 3 years, we have seen growing concern over regulatory proceedings and investigations. Different jurisdictions have implemented overlapping and in some cases conflicting regulatory frameworks for the places where global companies do business. For example, in 2019, about 15% of our survey respondents said that regulatory and investigative matters were a top focus of in-house litigation capacity. In 2021, that number jumped to 33%. In fact, 19% of respondents told us that regulatory matters were their single greatest concern in 2021, compared to just 11% in 2020. For global companies, data protection, ESG, and cybersecurity are top drivers for regulatory, investigative, and litigation risk. We hope to share more of these insights with you in the coming days.
Interested to see how your organization stacks up? Go to litigationtrends.com and download your copy of the report today. And be sure to join our discussion on Tuesday, March 22nd. We look forward to navigating this year with you.